Hey guys, what's up? It is Miss Ray here. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like my content and watch my other videos as well. Today we are talking about Purple Shampoo, which is something that is extremely important when you have blonde hair. One of the biggest pet peeves of mine is brassiness. I hate when my hair starts to turn yellow. It grosses me out.
What?
Even though people say I'm the only one who notices it, I don't want to look like a Care Bear. I've tried different types of purple shampoos. The one that I've been using for the last year has been the Ion Cool Blonde Purple Shampoo, which says that it cleanses and tones white, silver, and blonde color-treated hair. And I have felt that this has not toned my hair at all. I never have noticed any difference whatsoever. You get this stuff at Sally's, it's like $8. I don't like it. It doesn't work the way that it says it's going to work. So I've used it, but I don't recommend it. I don't like it. Found recently while reading some different blogs on hair color was the No Yellow Shampoo. And if you've heard anything about this stuff, it is apparently the #1 purple shampoo. And I would agree with what it does. It works really well. After my first use of using it, the brassiness in my roots was almost completely gone, like hardly noticeable. I noticed an instant difference. The thing with this is it is a toning shampoo, but you need to wash your hair first and then lather this into your roots. Leave it on for about 5 minutes. So while you're doing everything else in the shower, just leave it on for 5 minutes and let it do its magic, and then rinse it off and condition. It is drying, so make sure you use a great conditioner, a leave-in conditioner. It smells nice too, doesn't smell like chemicals, it kind of smells like grapes to me. This bottle I got off of Amazon. It was $10. It is a 350 milliliter bottle, which is about 11 ounces. If you're sick of having brassy blonde hair, I definitely recommend this No Yellow Shampoo. It worked for me and it will probably work for you, but it is highly pigmented. So it will dye your hands if you're not careful. It left mine purple. It washed off pretty nicely, but they were nice and purple. So here's the Ion shampoo, here's the No Yellow shampoo. This is a toning shampoo. This is just food coloring and shampoo. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.